Well, coming into the last 3 rounds, that guy right there, Hunter Lawrence, will be making a bike switch to the 2025 CRF 450 model, which apparently him and his brother, no surprise there, had a lot of input in creating, or, well, developing, however you want to put it. Now, this is weird because he's 28 points down, so he's not super far away from the championship. And with only 3 rounds to go, it's kind of weird to switch to the 2025 model. Maybe he's been riding it a bunch. Maybe he's just more comfortable with it. Maybe the team just decides, whatever, we're gonna go with it. It's to me kind of weird though. He did say, "quote I'm pumped to race the new bike this weekend here at Unadilla. I felt at home on the 25 the first time I rode it, and it was fun for Jet and me to have the opportunity to give our input in the development of the production bike. Now it's time to get to work on the factory version." And obviously, what you buy from the showroom floor is much different than what these guys race with all the trick parts and everything that they want just to make it perfectly theirs. There was another quote saying, "That said, we're super excited to get to work developing the factory version of the 2025 CRF 450R. The engineers have done an incredible job with the new bike, and we're happy to see it performing well in media evaluations. We fully expect that with time, it will have a very successful record of its own." I mean, obviously, Honda is at this point one of the longest lasting teams, or the Japanese trio, and you know, it's a bike that's been around for a team or company, whatever, for a long time. And when you have your two star riders helping develop it, it's going to be good. I mean, obviously, they're going to like what's happening. It's not going to be somebody else is riding it and they get a bike that they have to say, no, you got to change this, you got to change that, you got to do this, got to do that. If they're on it, they're riding it all the time, and they're developing it, it's going to be what they want, which is good. I mean, it could be a little bit different between the two of them. Obviously, height, weight, riding style, just there are differences between the two. But with the last 3 rounds, who knows? Maybe this helps. Maybe this bike's a little bit better for him. He likes it better. He feels more comfortable on it, and he can make up the point difference. Maybe Chase Exon just wins because Jet Lawrence is gone. Whatever. But comment down below. You guys tell me. Do you think he comes back? Do you think Chase wins? Do you think it's a good idea to switch to the new bike at the end of the year, which apparently they're going to be racing the rest of the SMX postseason for those 3 rounds too? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.